We're at the airport again. So right now, we'll be sharing to you how can we get to Runway Manila Footbridge. Going to Newport City, or even how can we get to the transfer buses section of the airport when we plan to go to Terminals 1, 2, and 4. Especially if we have other flight to catch to in other terminals. Or if we get to the wrong terminals and we have to transfer to the correct terminals that we supposed to be in. So right now we are at the Terminal 3, NAIA Terminal 3, and if we plan to go to the footbridge going to the Newport City, that's on level 4. Okay, so from the arrival hall or even from the departure hall, you have to get to the 4th floor of the building. So that's where the food hall is located. There's a McDo, Tim Hortons, and other food sections here, and some shops. Right? So just a quick look at the check-in counters at the airport. Again, this is in Terminal 3 of NAIA. So this is the food hall located at the 4th floor of Terminal 3. So there are marks, where we could follow going to the Runway Manila Footbridge. This is a link to the Newport World Resort and some other hotels like Marriott Hotel, Hotel Okura, Sheraton, Hilton, Holiday Inn Express Manila. So that's all in Newport City. Okay, so this is coming from the side of the airport. Okay, this is on the 4th floor. So welcome to the Runway Manila. Right, so there's an escalator, walking escalator rather. So we have a view of the multi-level parking. Right. There's still a go-kart. So there are a series of walk-alators. So again, this is the multi-level parking of the airport. As you can see, it's full. You know that the red car is waiting for that passage or entrance to the multi-level parking to be open. I'm now in the middle of the linkage footbridge between the Newport City and the Terminal 3 building. This is the open parking of the NAIA Terminal 3. You can also have the overnight parking here if the multi-level parking is full. So these are the buildings on the other side. So that's the Newport City. Right, so this is the footbridge. You can really check that it's modern. The design, the interior is really nice. So currently, I'm now at the 5th floor of the linkage from the side of the Newport City. So there's a link bridge from the Newport City. Just look at it from there and go to the 5th floor. So that's where this link bridge is located if you plan to go to Terminal 3. So again, this is the open parking in Terminal 3. It's just in front of the Terminal 3. So if you're coming from the Newport City, that's the link bridge rather is connected, or it's in front of the Belmont Hotel. So that's the Belmont Hotel, right? So we are now going to the NAIA Terminal 3 coming from the Newport City side. So that's the Newport City area in front of the Terminal 3. That's the southbound. So again, the hotels in Newport City are the Newport Hotel Resort, Hotel Okura, Marriott, Hilton, Holiday Inn. Okay. If you are checked in there, it's just in front of Terminal 3. Or if you plan to go to Terminal 3, you can pin your bookings there and just go to this link bridge going to Terminal 3. You will have access to the arrival or even to the departure hall. Okay, so right now we'll be sharing to you where is the transfer buses located. How can we find the area for the transfer buses if we came from international arrival or domestic arrival and we plan to go to another terminal? Because this is Terminal 3, we have three other terminals rather in NAIA, Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Manila. So that's a terminal transfer bus. It's located. You can see the signs from the gate 1 of the arrival hall. Gate 1 or gate 2 of the arrival hall. Then follow those instructions and you can get to the other terminals. So this is the terminal transfer buses going to terminals 1, 2, and 4 because currently this is Terminal 3. Okay, terminal transfer buses. Just follow the signs and you can get there, right? So that's it. That's the terminal transfer bus section. That's our new vlog here in the airport. Please like and subscribe. Bye.